I'm going to be talking about charcoal pencil portrait drawing and the tools I use in my drawing. This is our first time I'm coming across this channel or page. Do well to subscribe and follow for more so that each time I drop an art tutorial you can watch. And this is for the upcoming artists, some of the mistakes we make while making some drawing. So I'm going to be explaining today so that you know while starting your painting, these are the things, or while starting your drawing or painting, the things you need to know and things step you need to follow. Today I'm going to be talking about charcoal portrait drawing. I'm going to be sending you, I'm going to drop the reference of the portraits I do, and from there I'll be explaining, I'll guide you through the portrait this thing so that you understand, and as I'll be explaining to this thing. So number one, you really need to have a good sketch. After getting your reference, before starting your charcoal pencil, first of all, if you are making a portrait, you already have a figure you want to draw. A figure can be anybody, a girl or a lady or even a child, depending on what you want to draw. Since it's a portrait, so it can be full size or anything that you want to draw. But when I mean a figure, yes, that is what it means. You understand? It could be anybody that you want to draw. So first of all, you need to sketch. A good sketch determines a good quality. If you have a good sketch before starting your shading, it will give you more idea of what you want to do. Like, well, some are very good in starting and drawing, but depend on your mentality or things you have in your head. But for me, I always have my sketch. After having my sketch, then I start blending or trying to work on the picture and trying to build the artwork, as you can see. So with my tools on my hand here, this is my container, this is my storage of, yes, my charcoal pencil work, as you can see here. So this is number one. This is electric 1.0. Yes, I use it in creating some highlights. Yes, this is a brush. This brush I use in blending. I'm trying to get some effect. You can get yours. I'll make mine locally, so depending on what I want to do, you can also get it in the store or anywhere at all you get it. Yes, so this is a fun I fold in, trying to create the effect, mostly the darker side of it. Yes, it's a very good. This one too, I make it for myself, but there's some tools that they sell in this thing. You can go there and get it by yourself. Yes, I still have tiny brushes here. Yes, I think this one, I use this one basically in creating some tiny line where my hand cannot go into blend very well, as you can see. Yes, so I have charcoal pencil which is very dark. Sometimes I use it in creating the hair effect. So as you can see this painting here, I mean this drawing, right? Yeah, so that is all about it. So keep trying, keep doing your best every day. You have something you want to do, just keep doing it. So we have come to the end of today's class. So if you have any problem or have any question, you can DM or comment to the comment section and let me know how I can help or support your art journey. See you in my next tutorial.